What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's. So, I bit the bullet. Took my first trip out to Harbor Freight. And this is what I bought. I just bought a Hilti screwdriver, compact screwdriver. We'll call it $100. I bought that, impact driver, and hammer drill in a 3-tool kit, 2 4-amp-hour batteries, and a charger included for $300. So actually that tool, was around $100 if you calculate the battery and charger in. So that brings me to this, because I also have a Milwaukee, so I'm going to do some testing here. I wanted to jump in on this to at least, I can form an opinion on Harbor Freight. Not just on this particular line, the Hercules line. This isn't going to be the end-all, be-all. But, it just gives me an idea. I've never been there. I went in. Pretty neat store. It is what it is. So, I did see another product in there that I would like to try that I haven't seen other people try, and I think I'd be good at showing it, and it, looks pretty decent. So, could be right, could be wrong, you never know. As far as like bit kits and stuff, the pricing, kind of, I'm sure they're great kits, but you could get ones of a little better quality or, same quality. It's not like you'd make a special trip to go get Hercules bits. I don't think so. Anyway, so what I get there, got this Quantum LED 250 lumens. It's magnetic. This is like, $8 I think. Not too bad. Definitely worth having that type of stuff. Now, as for this, and that, it's a hair over $100. I was kind of surprised by that. So, but, people say great things about this brand. So, we'll see what it's all about. Alright, so you got 2-amp-hour battery. It's got 2 bars. Plastic all the way around. Let's see what the charger looks like here. Yeah, I wasn't... Oh, crap. Very surprised with the price on this, to be honest with you. But like I said, it could be worth every penny. Alright, let's pull this out here. Unplug this. Charger's not bad. We'll see what the, how well it does. Legendary performance. Hercules power tool. Alright, let's see this legendary screwdriver here. Put that there. Alright, so we get belt clip. And the screw gun. So, first impressions. Let's see what we got here. So the selector switch is a little mushy. There's not a lot of, I don't know. Doesn't feel like a very positive click lock in. I don't think it's going to come loose or anything. It's just when you're flipping back and forth, it's almost like, did I flip it? It does have an LED. Got the 1/4 inch hex chuck. It is 2-speed. I think that's cool. So the specs here, we got 0 to 400 in speed 1 and 0 to 1500 in speed 2. Let's throw the battery on here. Alright, well, we are definitely going to have to check that out. I think it should be alright, you know? We'll see what it does. I'm going to take it into work. Kind of reminds me of, I think Tools and Trash got that DeWalt one. This kind of, I think if I remember correctly, has the same footprint as that DeWalt. So that's another one I might get just to compare. Might try to take them apart, see what's on the inside. Anyways, guys, this is first impressions of the Hercules HD94B screwdriver. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.